Hey folks, this bot right here is going to help you or anybody that's watching this video make money online overnight. And I'm going to show you undeniable proof. This is Wesley billion dollar virgin here. And I get so many comments in the DM here, under my channel, and people ask me, well, Wesley, I'm watching all your make money online videos here, but is it possible to make money overnight? And I said, of course it is. And I did some research and I found about 3 sites that will 100% pay you overnight by doing exactly what I'm going to show you in the video here. And listen, show me some love here, because listen, information like this, people will charge you for, but Wesley, have a big heart and I love you. So, and I want you to win. So if you want to win as well, comment below. I will win. Smash the like button, sub to the channel, because I will always give you free information so you can start making money, so you can retire, so you can leave that job, drop out of school, and do what the hell you want to do. Can I get an amen? So listen, let's get right into it. The first site that does it, Freelance Mom. And listen, the bot will do everything for you. I know what you're thinking. Well, is this another freelance web? No. Just stay with me here. So this lady here is going to pay you, right, up to hundreds to $300, basically just to write an article here. See right here, how to submit your posts here. And if you scroll up here, she's basically is going to pay you, right, $100 to $300, okay, to basically write an article for her. Right here we go, $75 to $100 via PayPal here. And I'm going to show you another that pays more money, but I want you to make the most money possible, and I want you to be profitable by using this make money overnight bot here that does it for you. And listen, you just tell her the piece, right? You send the first paragraph, you email her, and done. She does it. And the great thing about it, it's a bot that does it all for you. You don't have to be an English person. As a matter of fact, you could be Spanish. It doesn't matter, because the bot does it for you. It's an AI bot, which is artificial intelligence is taking over here. Now, write that down, please. Now, next is the Vibrant Life. They're going to pay you overnight. You submit it. She likes it. It's done. I mean, you get paid. Look at this, $100 to $300 per article. So I want you to imagine this. Imagine writing 3 articles a day. Get up in the morning, 3 articles. That's $900 a day, right? $900 a day is about $27,000 a month. Smash the like button if you can use that. And listen, I have many people right now in one of my courses, this is what they do. Because usually people that are kind of desperate, they need money now. This is what I have them do. And before, listen, I made them write the article. But now we have artificial intelligence. This bot, which is insane, is brand new. It's using artificial intelligence here, and it allows you to make money overnight. And you just put the information in. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. But it's very simple. You just email this person an article. If the article is great in this bot, 90% of articles that come out of this bot, it works every single time. I used it. I actually let my children use it. They lazy sometimes. But listen, it doesn't get that easier than that. And then here's the last site that's going to pay you out, which is called the Barefoot Writer here, okay? These people are going to pay you $100 to $300 per article. And it's very easy to submit, right? 600 words, 800 words, and the bot does everything for you here. You email them the article, they love it, which they will, because I'm going to give you the bot that does it for you here, and you just get paid over and over again, okay? Now listen, here's the site. Boom. Here's the bot right here. You see this right here? AI Article Writer 2.0. AI means artificial intelligence, right? The best quality. Listen, some of the articles that you see on CNN and ABC News, don't think that these people like Forbes, they're not writing these articles. They go to stuff like this because it does it for you. It's all about saving time and saving money, right? So they go here. They go to sites like this that people like you don't know, but Wesley Virgin is putting you on game. Smash the like button since I'm putting you on game. And you can use this to make money online overnight, actually today, right now. Let me give an example. Say if you want to write an article about weight loss. Watch how easy this is. What language? English, Dutch, French, German. See, it's a great thing about it. You don't even have to speak the language here, depending on what you want to do. Generate ideas. You click that. You're going to give it a second. Look at this. generates the intro for you, right? Why weight loss surgery is the best option for you, because all you need to do in the beginning is give sites like Freelance Mom an example first. You want to do it quickly here, and you're going to submit one to her, submit one to Vibrant Life, and submit one to Barefoot. Because smash the like button if you're trying to make the most money possible, so you can make money online, so you can leave that average, mediocre lifestyle. Can I get an amen? Of course, right? So check it out. So say if I click on this, all right, go next step here. They're going to generate a title for me, generate intros. Isn't this easy? How easy is this? Like, you can do this every day, all day. You don't have to work 10 hours a day. Smash the like button if you're trying to quit your job and drop out of school right now. Let's go, right? You got to realize as you watch this and listen, you got to get excited because it works. This stuff is powerful here. This is just stuff that's behind the scenes that you just don't know about here. Look at this. I can pick whatever article I want. Pick this one. Next step here. Generate outlines. See, here's the article here. Generate outlines for the article as well. That's crazy, right? It's going to generate an outline for me. I don't have to do any work. You see that the AI bot is doing everything for me to make money online. Does that make sense? Look at that. It's done. See that right there? And then when you're done, you scroll down to the bottom. And then when you generate the outlines here, then you click write the article. And the article is going to be written for you. And then all you do is write article. And that's it. It's going to generate the article. You could download it. And you submit it to all these people here. And then they may say, I love your article. It's amazing. Then great. Then you can make more money. You could continue to do this. Smash the like button if you know you can do this. Listen, you can do this right now, okay? Just submit it to these people here. Let the bot do all the work for you. It's an article writer that is top right now with a lot of article sites that you don't know that happens behind the scenes. Listen, you can do this right now. You can start making money overnight. Now, listen, how many of you know that you can do this? But how many of you say, Wesley, is it a faster way? Listen, there's always a faster way to do something online. I didn't become rich by being smart. I got rich because I tapped into the technology. Now, I took action. I listened to a video like this 8 years ago, and now I'm rich. Now, how about if there was a way that you can use a software that will basically do everything I just showed you here? A software that does, you just plug in the values, and what it does, it goes to hundreds of profit sites, and it submits everything for you automatically so you make 10 times more money. Does that make sense? Would you want to know that? Listen, it's right here. I charge people today $1,000 to $3,000 per month to do stuff like this, because people, even though they do it, they get frustrated, right? Oh, it's not working. I can't do it. And those people, they're just not committed, right? And they want instant gratification. So what I want to do, I have a software under this video in the description, and it's usually $1,000 per month to do everything you just seen. It's a guarantee, almost impossible not to make money online right now tonight using this. I'm going to give it to 10 people for $17. That's it. No monthly cost. It's $17. It's going to generate profit sites for you over and over with one click of a button, that everything you see here. So instead of making $9,000 a month, we're talking about $30,000 a month, okay? Allowing artificial intelligence to do everything for you. There's a software, and it's in my bio below. Listen, you don't have to click it. You don't have to give it. I'm just giving you an option. I do suggest you try this, what I just showed you right here. Just do it. But if you want the software, 10 people right now, it does it all for you. Work it. Takes 2 minutes to set up. And I promise you, you're going to love me. You're going to smash the like button. You'll be a sub for the rest of your life. Be committed. Be disciplined. And get ready to make money online than ever before. So click the link in my description below. First 10 people, $17. And guess what? If you're number 11, it's $1,000 a month. It's up to you. Happy New Year. Much love. Let's go.